Hey guys, just wanted to post a review on this Longzen knife sharpener that I picked up, and I've been using it for all my knives to keep them sharp for my content creation on my barbecue channel, Mad Backyard. So I use this anytime I'm getting ready to do a cook. I want to make sure my knives are nice and sharp, and I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration here in a minute. But I want to show you first, it has 4 different slots. The first one is obviously just for scissors, and then the second 2 are for sharpening knives. Now you don't want to use a serrated knife or one with teeth or anything like that. You just want to use just a nice regular knife, like a chef's knife or boning knife or something when you're sharpening these, but it does make a huge difference. They have videos that you can watch that are, there's a QR code and a manual, and it shows you exactly how to do it step by step. But basically the number 2 is the coarse grade, 3 is the medium, and 4 is the fine. So if you just want to kind of quickly tune up a knife before you cook with it and it's pretty sharp already, you can just run it through the 4. If it's really in bad shape, you want to start with the 2, and they have you do the 2, the 3, and then the 4 all in order. So it's pretty well constructed. It's just all simply one piece. It's got a nice sturdy handle on it, and then the way it's designed is you kind of just put it right on the table and then run the knife through it to sharpen it. So I'm going to show you that here in a second. We're going to take a chef's knife and we're going to run it through the 2 slot first, then the 3, and then the 4. So here I've got just my Marku chef's knife that I use all the time. This is just a regular kind of standard carving knife. So I'm going to go ahead and run it through the 2 slot first. And when you're doing it, you never want to go back and forth like this. You want to kind of start at the heel of the knife, and we're on number 2 here. You start at the heel of the knife, and then a little bit of downward pressure, and just pull it through, okay? And then we're going to go back to the heel and pull it through. And you can kind of stabilize it with this hand right here. I'm going to do about 4 or 5 times. And then wherever you're doing this, just know that some metal shavings could come out the side, so sometimes I'll do it over a paper plate or something, just to kind of collect those and then get them out of the way. But when you're done, just make sure you wipe the table or whatever you're using, and then you also want to run your knife under water to get any, under running water to get any metal shavings that might still be stuck to the blade off before you start using it. So I just ran it through the 2, now we're going to run it through the 3. And there's a little less resistance there, you can feel. And the instructions from the company say to use less pressure with each one. So I was giving it a little more pressure on the 2. And then now we're going to run it through the 4. That's the last one. Barely any pressure at all. This is just kind of the fine tuning, getting those little tiny pieces off. So do about 4 or 5 on there. Again, not going back and forth, just side to side. And then that's going to get your knife nice and sharp and ready to use for your cooking.